In this video I'm going to show you why you have not been able to make money with copy trading. This is the Pessimist channel, and if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscription button. We post anything and everything that will make you at lost trying to make money online. Copy trading is a popular investment strategy that allows investors to automatically copy the trades of more experienced traders. In essence, when you engage in copy trading, you are essentially following the trading activities of a successful trader and replicating their success in your own account. This was meant to be a great way for new traders to earn from the market and improve their trading skills. The way copy trading works is fairly simple. You will select a trader to copy from a list of recommended traders provided by your broker. Once you have chosen a trader, you will set up your account to automatically copy their trades, either in part or in full. From that point on, any trades that the trader makes will be replicated in your own account based on the parameters you have set. Copy trading was meant to save time and effort, as you don't have to spend as much time with researching and analyzing the market yourself, thereby making it a passive income. However, it is important to keep in mind that copy trading is a potential for scams or fraudulent activities by brokers and traders. The brokers will try to entice you with fake promises of big returns and easy profits through copy trading, but it is important to be aware of the risk involved. Copy trading involves mimicking the trades of another investor, usually a successful one, in the hopes of replicating their achievements. But instead, brokers can use copy trading to steal your money in several ways. 1. Firstly, brokers may encourage you to copy trades with their expert traders, who are actually in on the scheme. These traders may artificially inflate their trading results to make it seem like they are constantly making big profits, when in reality they are using unethical tactics like insider trading or manipulating the market. By copying the trades, you are essentially participating in their illegal activities and will face legal repercussions. 2. Brokers will also scam you through copy trading by charging high fees for their services. Some brokers may take a percentage of your profit as a commission or charge a monthly fee for access to their so-called top trades. These fees can quickly add up, especially if you are not making consistent profit through their copy trading. Additionally, brokers may try to convince you to invest more money in order to increase your chance of success, when in reality they are just trying to make more money off of you. In some cases, brokers may even steal your money directly through copy trading. They will use your account information to make unauthorized trades and make you at loss to withdraw your money. This is dangerous, especially if your account have access to your bank account or credit card information, as they can continue to siphon money from your account even after you have realized what's happening. Trading with a copy trading site may seem like an easy and profitable way to trade the financial markets. But the several disadvantages with this approach include limited control over trades, dependence on the skills of other traders, and lack of personalized approach. By staying vigilant and informed, you can protect yourself from scammers and make smart investment decisions that will help you grow your wealth over time, which is what we do here at the Pessimist channel. Subscribe now so will not miss out on our videos when they get uploaded. I am going to give you 8 ways you can easily identify these brokers before they succeed making money off of you. 1. Customer service. Check their customer service and support options. You are to find out if you can communicate with them. 2. Reputation. Read the reviews and ratings from other traders to get an idea of the broker's activities. 3. Promising high returns. Brokers who promises unusual high returns are likely trying to lure you into a scam. 4. Their transparency. Brokers who are not transparent about how they make or enter their trades are trying to deceive you. 5. Lack of risk management. A broker who does not provide adequate risk management on their trades are definitely trying to deceive you. 6. Lack of information on their copied traders. Brokers who does not provide information on the trades you are copying from. 7. Lack of control. A broker who does not provide you an option to stop copying a trader that they offer to manage your account for you. 8. Pressure to invest more. Brokers who pressure you to invest more or telling you why the account got blown is because you used a little amount of money are definitely scammers. And as a bonus, I will tell you that brokers who does not provide a demo account to practice their copy trading before using your real money should not be trusted. In a nutshell, these brokers use fake testimonies or reviews to promote their services. The truth is that brokers make more money when you lose a trade than when you win one. So brokers promising you to manage your account is trying to scam you. I will say it's better to trade signals from a successful trader you know and not from your broker than to engage in copy trading. Check out my video here on the worst performing cryptos of 2023. This is the Pessimist. See you on the next video, and a subscribe to the channel would be a success. Copying.